Hey guys, welcome to a new video. If you were to ask me what the key pieces are in my wardrobe that I really couldn't put together outfits without, then definitely one of my answers would be a nice big fluffy peasant blouse. This one is my most worn one. It is definitely also one of my most worn items. I wear it all the time and I feel like this is very typical of my style. It is one of those key items that kind of just determine my style. So today I wanted to do kind of a little ode to the peasant blouse and show you different ways that I like to style mine. So I guess this is a week of peasant blouses. Obviously the first outfit is the one I am wearing right here, and this is right away one of my favorite ways to style a peasant blouse, and that is with a skirt and then cinched at the waist. I feel like for my body type I need definition around the midriff and waist, so kind of this section. When that is tight and kind of form-hugging, that's when I feel that clothing is the most flattering on me. So I really like to cinch my peasant blouses with something, and in this case that is a vest, a black vest, which just gives my upper body a little bit of shape despite wearing a big puffy kind of potato sack type blouse. Also, these two items complement each other really well, and I decided to pair them with this skirt that doesn't just tie together the colors, but it also makes it just super autumnal. Here is outfit number one of the week of peasant blouses, and let's move on to outfit number two. For the second outfit, I am wearing the blouse off the shoulder. The top is elastic, so I can wear it either on the shoulders or off the shoulders like this to get a bit of a boat neck effect. So when I don't have that kind of midriff to waist definition, then I like to pair bulkier items on top with skinny or kind of more form-fitting items on the bottom. So here I paired the blouse with some cigarette pants. Just stand up a little higher for you here. So these are just some black trousers that hit just above the ankles. They are nice and form-fitting, and I tucked the blouse into the pants. A little tip I have when you are trying to fit something bulky into something more form-fitting, this is much easier to do when you actually tuck the item into your bottom layer. I always wear tights under pretty much everything in the colder months, so I just tucked the shirt into my tights, and that just helps kind of compact it a little bit better and eliminate that bulk around the hips, you know, where the rest of the blouse is sitting. Yeah, this is the second outfit, second option. Alternatively, I would pair this with a white belt like this to give the outfit a little bit more extra. I think that looks really cute as well. It does give a little bit more waist definition again, even though the pants do that as well by being high-waisted. With this next outfit, I am going full folklore, but I love it. So this is another peasant blouse of mine. It is true vintage, hand embroidered, authentic stuff. I really love it. So of course you could choose to style this in a more modern way. I decided to go just all out with this first outfit and pair it with a midi skirt, black pleated. This is a modern skirt, but I feel like it just goes perfectly with this blouse to create a fully, you know, folklore inspired looking outfit. This is super easy to throw on, super comfortable, and I say really cute as well. And you can of course dress this up or down depending on, you know, what accessories and how you do your hair. This could definitely be more wearable in a more casual setting. So that is the next peasant blouse outfit. So let's move on to the next one. Here's an outfit you would have probably seen me wear if you have been following me for a while. I always pair this blouse with this pinafore dress. I feel like I have maybe two other items in my wardrobe that go with this pinafore, but this blouse just feels like it was made for it. There is a video on my channel on how I sewed this if you are interested, you know, in making one yourself as well. But yes, this pinafore, absolutely perfect to pair with a peasant blouse. And so are pinafores in general, actually. I just feel like the huge billowy sleeves go perfectly with the style of pinafore dresses, and I absolutely adore this outfit. It's just so easy to throw on, very easy to wear. If you're not as much of a skirt person as I am, then I think peasant blouses would go perfectly with dungarees as well, or pinafore jeans. The idea is quite similar, but it's just a little bit of a different style. So if this is not exactly your thing, then that might be an option to consider. This next outfit is a bit more simple and basic again, so this time I tried to dress up the blouse a bit by adding some accessories and a little bit of jewelry. So I have this brown belt with a gold accent and some necklaces on. Don't want to overdo it by adding too much jewelry. I always feel like jewelry can very quickly look too much on me, but just a few pieces here and there can really elevate an outfit, especially when it has more basic casual looking pieces like this. I have also pulled up the sleeves of this blouse. They have elastic on the bottom, so I can easily wear them kind of in a 3/4 length as well. And I feel like it just gives the sleeves a little bit more of an ethereal quality rather than the kind of folky vibe they have otherwise. So yeah, this is the outfit for today. And that is it, guys. Of course, there are loads and loads and loads of more ways that you could style peasant blouses, but I did want to stick close to my personal style for this video and choose outfits that I would actually wear in day-to-day life, or do actually wear in daily life. I would love to hear whether you wear peasant blouses or not, and if you do, how you style them. So please leave a comment and let us know. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for loads more beauty and lifestyle content. If you would like to support me through Patreon or my merch store, there are links in the description box below. Thank you so much for your support. There is another video here that I think you might also enjoy. You can go watch next. Thank you for watching once again, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!